loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. The name is Balisa M, and today we're going to be doing my hair. So you guys know I love my wigs, and HerGivenHair sent me a wig. Now it's a little bit different, so let's open this up. The packaging, I'm gonna say the packaging was so luxe, like it felt like I was opening a very special gift. And when we opened the box, we came into the hair, which I took out. They sent this nice satin bag for the hair. This is such high quality, by the way. And then it has a letter from their brand ambassador, Amina. I think she was on Love and Hip Hop Miami, if I remember correctly. So she wrote a nice little note that I read and I enjoyed. Then it comes with this instruction book telling you how to care for the hair, how to wear the hair, how to style it. Like, it's kind of like an FYI or a manual for your wigs. Can you imagine that? A whole manual for this wig. That's a first time experience for me. I went ahead and I unboxed the hair. This hair is a texture I don't usually do, so it is a 3-in-1 half wig. It is a kinky blowout texture, so it's gonna look like my relaxed hair with the growth. It has 3 combs, well, not 3, it has 4 combs going all around, and then it has a drawstring, so I can actually wear this as a ponytail. Now, I wanted to try something different, so I went ahead, put it on a mannequin, put some heat protectant on it, and we are going to curl it. Yes, we're going to curl it. I split this hair into some sections because it is very thick. This is an 18-inch wig. It's machine made and it is a free cap size, so it's not like the usual wigs. This one will fit any head size. Curiosity got the better of me, and I decided to try and straighten this hair just because I wanted to see what it would look like straight. Obviously it can't go bone straight because it's kinky curly hair, but I was pleasantly surprised because I mean, look at that sheen, look at that body. I took my curling iron and I went ahead and took sections of the hair and just curled it. I'm loving curls, you know, I'm a lover of curls. So we said we are going to curl these babies. And then I went ahead and just clipped the curls so they could cool and set. I have never worked with kinky hair this thick, so it was a first time experience, and I was saying a prayer in my heart that these curls would hold. Okay, this is what the wig looks like. So there's not going to be any glue, any cutting of lace, you know, there's not going to be, you know, any fusses and melting or anything. This is my hair freshly washed. I am 4 months post relaxer, so we do have a bit of growth. I went ahead and just combed it back so we could install the half wig. I'm going to section a part of the hair right in the front, and we're gonna do like a little leave out. And yeah, it wasn't so bad, honestly speaking. I am hoping that the hair is going to blend perfectly with my hair because we do have a little bit of new growth there in the front, and I also didn't want to straighten out my new growth because it's a little bit fragile. But after we sectioned off some hair, I went ahead and I was gonna tie the back of my hair because it's not braided. Just take a hair tie or not a rubber band, a satin hair tie, or just, you know, elastic hair tie or whatever it is you use. And I just went ahead and put my hair in like this little bun at the back. I clipped the front of the hair away so I could actually install the wig. That's what the wig looks like, all curls. I did a little pin curl situation, which I love. Ever since I learned how to curl my hair, pin curls have been my go-to. So I took the combs of the hair and just attached them so the wig is secure, and then I pulled on the drawstring at the back so that it could sit tight, and then I went ahead and just took the clips out so the curls could fall as they may. I kind of like this hair is nice and thick, but it's also very lightweight. Like, it doesn't feel heavy or sit bulky on the head, and it fits so snug. Like, half wigs might be the thing to do, especially in summer. All the curls were unraveled. Now here's the test. Is my hair going to melt? Yes, it did. You can't even tell the difference in texture between my actual hair and this wig. That's how good the blend is, which I love. So I took my curling iron again, and I was going to curl my hair just to make it curly enough to blend in with the actual wig, which is curled. I think if I had straightened the wig out, then my hair would have blended. But because the wig is curled, I am going to have to curl my hair a little bit just so it blends in. And yeah, I just pinned it quickly so it would, cool down in a curl. And I did the other side as well, just a gentle curl. I'm not really good at curling my hair when it's on my head, but I had to do what it does, and we made some things happen. So, just to repeat the info for you guys, this is a 3-in-1 half wig. It is a Kinky blowout, 18 inches. It's a machine made wig, and it is a free size cap. This is in the natural color, and this is what it looks like. Honestly speaking, I do love. This is such a quick and easy hairdo. Imagine being a wedding guest, and this is what the hair looks like at the back. Like, the blend is everything for me. It literally looks like it's growing from my scalp. If you want to purchase this hair, I'm going to leave all the details for you in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Should this be something I add into my rotation of wigs? Let me know how you would wear this hair. Thank you so much to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video. Love ya.